It's very easy, YouTube, to toast hot dog buns for your hot dogs or sausage. All you need is butter, garlic, and a little pepper. So let's go right to the video. Alright, YouTube, so we have salted butter. You're going to want to open those hot dog rolls and just start buttering both sides. And it's very easy with that. Alright, so that's buttered. Take some garlic, sprinkle that on those buns, and then take some pepper and do that as well. And then we'll go right to the pan. Alright, YouTube, we have the butter in there. It's always better to use more butter. Put this on medium and just start working this butter around the pan. Make sure you lubricate the whole thing. If you have too much, it doesn't really matter. So let that melt, and then we put the buns in there. Alright, YouTube. So put that down there. And you want to just keep spinning these around. And you do them to your liking. If you leave them in there longer to get more dark, or if you want to burn char marks around, or if you just want it lightly brown, then just toast it lightly brown. But just keep spinning these, and it's that easy. You see the butter bubbling? Alright, YouTube, so just keep doing this. You'll you see how it's changing color right there? And like I said, you just want to leave this in as long as you want to get it to the color that you want. So it should take just another minute, and then we'll put it on the plate. It's that easy. And there you have it, YouTube. Look at these. Look how that is. That's really good quality. Look at this one. You could just actually eat the buns themselves. But that's how you toast hot dog buns in the pan with butter. If you like recipes like this, you like how-to recipes, please subscribe, hit the bell, and I will bring you many more tips, cooking videos, recipes, and much more. Talk soon, Dan Soy. Bye-bye.